welcome back to Shaving Down Under and the fourth episode of the mega unboxing. Let's have a look what we've got here. Maybe this will pull through. It does. This box looks even smaller. I knew it wouldn't be big, but it's very small. Let's open her up. Come on, out you come. Scissors. So this is a new improved. Man, looks like pretty good condition. Oh, there's a, wow, didn't expect to see that. Blade that come with it to be used. So I'm on the hunt. This is one of the things I'm hunting for now, is these old standard razors that were just the workhorse, but just finding them in mint condition or new old stock, and especially if it's got the shipper, which this has, and it's in really good condition. I'm really stoked with this. I don't think it cost me too much, but I'm very happy, and that'll just sit nicely in with my collection. Pop you down there, you in beside it. There you go. Rightio, the last piece in the mega unboxing. No idea what it is, people, until I set my eyes on it. Oh, these scissors don't really want to work. See if that'll pull out. It does. Gillette. Well, that's of no surprise to you all. And it's another Tech. And a gold one. And in very good condition. Just years of bouncing around in a box. So another new old stock. I love this style of handle. For me, it's just a real Art Deco, classic Art Deco design. Pop that back on there, and another one that goes in with my, oh, there we go. There we have it. That looks nice. Very happy with that. As I said with the last one, I'm looking for these now that are minty or new old stock, because there's plenty of these razors floating around, and there's plenty of these cases, but they've really been knocked around. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that mega unboxing. Ciao for now.